Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's Tom over at Gas. So today's video is going to be another tool review. We've got another package arrived from our friends over at KINGBOLEN. So I'll just open up the package and they have sent us a battery tester. BM550. Looks like a really nice bit of kit, simple to use, just like the OBD scanner. If you look back on my channel, you'll see the review on that one. We've got here 6 volts, 12 volt, 24 volts. Looks nice and easy. Looks just like the OBD scanner. So yeah, nice 4 buttons, return, OK, up and down. We have actually got a vehicle in at the minute. I come in with a suspect battery or battery drain. So what I do is I'll test it on this one. So let's open up the package. Right then, we'll connect it to our battery. Just grab a light so we can see what we're doing. Alright, so we'll connect the battery up. So it's all connected. Already it's flashing 12 volts. You can see that. So we're going to select OK. And then we've got our cold cranking amps, and then we want 800 for this battery. You can hold the button down, which is nice, speeds up the process. So we'll go all the way up to 800 and then we'll select OK. And the battery is testing. So we've got 441 cold cranking amps, and then we'll use the arrows. So we've got state of health 30%, so that's poor. So it looks like it's going to need a battery. Status of charge 61%, so it's fairly charged. We've got a resistance of 5.89, and then we're showing 12.3 volts. So the voltage is good, but as you can see, 61% charged, but it is only 30%, so that looks like it's going to need a battery. But how easy is this tool? I mean, 4 little buttons, really simple, nice display as well, nice, easy to read. It's got everything on there you want a battery tester to do, really. But yeah, I'm impressed with that. Same with the OBD scanner. I still use that today. Obviously got the main diagnostic machines in the workshop, but there's been times where I've needed just do a quick scan, clear any fault codes. I'll just grab that, like I say, plug it in, nice, quick, really simple to use, just like the battery tester. But no, I'm impressed with that. So that is the BM550. Like you say, you can do the 6 volt batteries, 12 volt batteries, 24 volt batteries. It's got a over voltage input protection. Oh, and it's got polarity reverse protection, which is handy if you get the connections on the wrong way in the battery. Yeah, a few little tips on the back there. But no, so easy to use. Like I say, really impressed with that. So thank you to KINGBOLEN, another great tool there. So just going back to the battery tester, that's available on Amazon, £24. So well worth the money in my eyes. Like I say, nice, easy to use, really nice tool. Especially this time of year, it's winter over in the UK, so every vehicle that comes in for a service gets a battery test anyway, a little battery check, so I'll definitely be using this. Give the customer a report on the bottom of the invoice, but yeah, really impressed with that. But thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Like I say, if you're in the market for a new battery tester, definitely head over to Amazon. £24, little KINGBOLEN, so simple to use, nice display, easy to read, does your 12 volt, 6 volt and 24 volt battery, so definitely worth its money. If you like what you see, head over to my channel, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, plenty of videos on there, tool reviews, check out the OBD scanner, and yeah, like I say, various fault codes with vehicles, the fixes, etc. So head over, give it a like, and we'll see you on the next one.